Welcome to our guide on how to display your email on your Facebook page. Adding your email address can make it easier for customers to reach out to you with inquiries or feedback. Let's go through the steps to show your email on your page. To get started, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages from the menu. Next, switch to the specific page where you want to display your email by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Select the page you wish to switch to. Now tap on your page's profile picture. Then, click on the edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the Contact Info section and mark your email address. Once you have entered your email address, tap Save at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. Congratulations! Your email address is now visible on your Facebook page, making it convenient for customers to contact you via email. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your page with important contact information. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.